What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a couple things to do. One is, well, not really my car. I'm going to be working on Lee's Integra. I have to replace his spindle for him just for a temporary fix, just so we can drive up to Coachella round 2 in Whittier, which is hosted by Joey Lee, known as Sticky Dojo, The Chronicles. So my brother picked the spindle up for his Civic. Since we are upgrading the brakes, we're going to be running ITR calipers on his car. And then on Lee's car, which he left it here, one of the ARP studs snapped clean off. Now, was it yesterday when we got off of work, he came by my house and I decided to let him test fit my Ce28's, which I've realized that I don't really post up videos of me getting stuff anymore. I think I grew, or I didn't grow out of it, I just stopped making videos of me getting new stuff. But these are the wheels that I recently picked up for the hatch. These are Ce28 CRs, also known as club racers. Now the difference between these and Ce20Ns is the lips are different. You can see on the Ce28 club racers, it has this little brush finish that is engraved forged. The stickers are the same, just this one right there, it says Club Racer, and they do have all the inner barrel stickers that when I bought them from Japan. So they're 16 by 733, a pair of them. The other two are 16 by 7 plus 42, so it's a bit like a stagger setup. But the 42s, Ce28's clear spoon calipers no matter what, just due to how the spokes are designed, which is a cool thing about the Ce28's. You don't really need like 35 offset to clear the spoon calipers. And on these are 25 offset. And there's a lot of clearance, but there's still a little bit right here because of how the faces are made. This is the Ce28's, they just curve around. But yeah, I actually had these on my car last weekend when I drove to Coachella round 1, or not round 1, Coachella 1. And yeah, I like them. Just the finish is kind of weird to me. I have to get used to them. I like the color the faces are in, which is matte gunmetal. I just don't like this lip when I'm rolling. So, but you guys want to see videos of Coachella? I did not take any videos of Coachella. I just wanted to go. I like going to meets and hanging out and just catching up with everybody, not having to like, worry about filming, taking photos, or any of that. If you guys want to see Coachella footage, I'll link the videos down below. I'll link Joey's video and Juan's video, which is just for fun, and the Chronicles videos down below, so check those out. Show some love. And yeah, so the Reg Masters, they are sitting in this box. So yeah, and believe it or not, I actually sold them. I just got kind of bored of them, how they look. Like, not gonna lie, Reg Masters are super nice, but for me, I guess it's not my taste. I never owned a set of Reg Masters, which is one reason why I bought those Reg Masters a long time ago and got them refinished. And believe it or not, I sold it back to the guy I bought them from because I kept my promise. So like, hey, or he told me, he's like, if you ever sell those Reg Masters, make sure you sell them back to me. I want them back. And yep, I sold them back to him. One thing I will need to do is, I need to take off the caliper, take off the rotor, and swap everything over. The wheel bearing on this, I think, is still good. Just the lower bar just kind of busted, but I'm just trying to put this on his car so we could drive up to Coachella tomorrow without having to worry about, anything. Plus, Lee likes doing pulls, so we don't want 3 lug nuts on one wheel. And we did pick up he did pick up a new intake for his car, so let me go grab it. But check it out. This is gonna be, I kind of missed the setup on the spoon lip. The spoon lip is probably like one of my all-time favorite lips. The only reason why I'm running the Mugen lip is because I got it for cheap. And I have the rest of the kit. The side skirts right there, I chopped them up, so that's gonna be in a different video. Yeah, I just really miss how this thing looks on the spoon lip. It does sit a little bit lower, but it's perfectly fine. And did clean up the garage a little bit more. Trying to work on getting more banners. But believe it or not, so I'm sponsored by Hybrid Racing. Koyorad is a new partner. So Koyorad is going to be providing the new budget tri-car with a full radiator setup. So thank you, Koyorad. Can't wait for the radiator to come in the mail. I did get this banner in first, or the Nabori flag, so appreciate it. And yeah, another set of C28's, but these are for that car. This is not mine, but I'm just storing it here. So yep. Okay, so I need to get to doing this, but I have to wait for Sean to come, because Sean is actually coming down, so I could, or we're gonna go check out an EG for Sean. Yeah, well, I'll keep you guys posted. While I am waiting for Sean to arrive, Lee picked this up yesterday from Alex. This is a Go AutoWorks intake, a 3-inch intake. Yeah, so I'm just gonna polish this stuff for him in the meantime while I wait for Sean, slow ass. But oh, what the hell? Is that a old school K&N filter? Oh damn. But okay, anyways, I'm gonna take the, well, I'm gonna start polishing the inside and working my way up, and I'll take out the filters and all that. My go-to polish is always mother's polish. This is what I always use on my mufflers or anything that is aluminum or metal. The only downside is someone decided to clean this out and just left it here. If, like, why? At least throw it away so I don't pick it up. So someone used that all, and I assume it's my brother because of his damn twin loop over here. So what I'm gonna do is use his Never Dull. I've never used, that's funny, I never used Never Dull. So we're gonna give this a shot on his intake. So I like mother's polish though, cause I don't know, I'm just so used to it. I've been using that thing for years. Yeah, so you pull it out and just start scrubbing away. Interesting. I feel like it's a bit like a steel wool. Hopefully this thing cleans up. It's a bit banged up, but it's just because it's been sitting in the garage for years. So we're just trying to bring this back as much as we can. And I like polishing stuff because it's just so satisfying. Like once you wipe it, that thing is just so clean. How do I know if this is bad? I don't know if that even works. I think if I keep going at it, it will work, but I don't like this stuff. I'm gonna go back to using mother's, so I need to go buy a can, because somebody used it all. I like the mother's because I can just paste it on and then use my drill and just buff it out with the ball and polish that way faster than using that by hand. Yeah, and cool intake. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys, I did post on Instagram. So yeah, I picked up Sean's old NS6 capper off his NA1. And believe it or not, these are going on the budget track car. They bolt up just like how ITR calipers bolt up. The only difference is you're running 2 pistons, or yeah, 2 pistons. What's up, Sean?
What's up, Tommy?
Oh, you didn't dark yourself. So we're picking up a car for Sean right now, hopefully. We'll see. And what do you know? We're chasing them down. Sean spotted him.
2 cars ahead.
Dude, this thing is so clean. People are not ready for you. This guy owns the NS6, now he's going down to a little Honda.
It's just gonna be something to daily, some fun to drive. I'm not trying to like go crazy like this guy.
Nah, that's what you always say. You guys see my cheap ass budget track car now? It's $100 in. But that's the car up there. Dude, that thing is clean. Well, we could be wrong though. We're pretty far away. Are you sure that's the one? Aw, dude, the body's kind of fucked.
Yeah, I can see the dents from here.
It kind of needs some love, Sean.
We'll see.
Ooh. Okay, back home. Checked out the car. It wasn't the greatest, especially for the price. And then, yeah, we just went to go get food and stuff, so I just kicked it. Now to fix Lee's car, so I swap out the spindles. We're just gonna do the driver's side one. Jack it up, pull the whole spindle out, take off the knuckle, the tie rod, lower bar joint, and the upper control arm. Swap out the calipers and the rotor, and we should be good. If you guys haven't seen this car, for all the new subs, yeah, built C5, previously, or built by Circuit Hero. I already loosened up the axle nuts, so I'm just taking off his lug nuts now. I sometimes miss having 15s on my car. Alright. Alright. Gonna take tire rod out, upper control arm, lower ball joint, and take out the caliper, put it on the side, rest it on a jack, and pull this thing out. I'm gonna knock these loose first so I can swap over the rotors and take this out. There we go. Should be like a 5-minute job, 5-10 minute job. Oh yeah, for those of you guys that were complaining about me not having an impact screwdriver or anything for this when I was doing Sean's NSX calipers, I do have it, but Sean didn't have it, so that's why I drilled his out. And oh, he's already loose. I don't need to use a impact on him, but that was the reason why when we were at Sean's house I had to drill it out, because we didn't have the right tools. So for those guys tripping that I don't know how to take off rotors, relax. Okay, I have it, we just didn't have it at his house. Once you take off all the collar pins, loosen up these bolts and hit it with a hammer, it should be loose. And the lower bar joint also. So you guys can see that. Now I'm gonna take off all these. Oh shit. I don't know where that went, but I'll find it. Lower bar joints. Tie rod. Alright, so this should come out. Just like that. And then I gotta push this axle out as I take out the spindle. Gotta take this out of it. There we go. I'll put back together. Missing one lug nut because the ARP stud snapped on the stud or the lug nut. So gonna get one. Yep. Now test fit that intake and see how to mount it. Good morning everybody, it is roughly 6 o'clock in the morning. We're heading to Coachella 2, which is the second week of Coachella, or Coachella. I'm just warming up the car. There's actually gonna be a an hour and a half drive. Alright, time to go get some gas.